Progressive exercise number 4. Be ready. Start. My government is committed to rapid expansion and improvement of India's physical infrastructure, power, oil, petroleum and renewable sources of energy, roads, transport, ports, airports, telecommunications and financial services so that these work both as engines of growth and employment generation. My government shall unveil a national water policy so that no water goes waste, and also our country, which has always revered the sacred rivers, cleans up all its water resources. My government will strive hard to make India a global information technology power, especially make India one of the largest generators and exporters of software in the world within 10 years. In this sacred national mission, I invite the most active participation of our hard-working kisans, workers, teachers, government employees, lawyers, doctors, engineers, traders, businessmen, in short, people in all professions. We shall aim in particular at equipping the weakest sections of the society to participate in this adventure. I have in mind especially members of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes and of minorities who may be poor. It has been quite rightly said that many have used these sections as vote banks, but they have left their real problems exactly as they were: inadequate education, malnutrition, and the rest. The counter example, the one I want the country to follow, is provided by the life and career of Dr. Baba Sahib Bhim Rao Ambedkar. A benevolent Raja spots the sparkling talent in this little child. He and other assist the child to study, to struggle, to excel, and see the heights he scaled. A good project was initiated during Rajiv Gandhi's tenure to locate the brightest children from among the poorest sections and to set up the very best schools for them. Like so many good ideas, the scheme has languished. I am particularly anxious to revive it and to multiply it 20-fold. In many ways, the position of women is even more precarious and it is pivotal to our future. A country cannot even be said to be progressing if one half of its population remains disadvantaged. In any case, it just cannot progress. Every study had identified female literacy, female health as the keys that determine so much else. Doubling female literacy within 10 years, vastly improving medical care for daughters and mothers, protecting the self respect of women, empowering them politically through reservation in parliament and state assemblies. These are not just goals that my government shall work towards. These are goals which I shall personally monitor. Another major area of focus will be restructuring of center state relations, went to decentralize financial powers to the states.